Do you know many people are having trouble with finding the maximum video card length for their LIANLI Lancool II mesh? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open case. First, open the case by removing both side panels. This will allow you easier access to the interior of the case. Step 2. Identify compartment. Identify the main compartment where the motherboard and other components are installed. Step 3. Measure distance. Measure the distance from the front panel, where fans or a radiator may be mounted, to the motherboard tray. Step 4. Consider obstructions. Consider any obstructions like drive cages or brackets that might limit the space available for the video card. Step 5. Check length. Check that the maximum supported video card length without obstructions is 384 mm. Step 6. Adjust for components. If you plan to install additional components like front radiators, adjust the available length accordingly. By following these steps, you should now be able to determine the maximum length for your video card in the LIANLI Lancool II mesh. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other LIANLI users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.